If Hilda Baci went big with the largest pot of jollof rice, I'm going tiny, the smallest pot ever cooked. Recently, Chef Hilda Baci made history by cooking the biggest pot of jollof rice, a record-breaking achievement that inspired millions. I couldn't be there physically to cook with her or even taste her rice. But today, I'm celebrating her amazing achievement in my own special way by preparing the smallest pot of jollof rice. Now, don't underestimate it. Cooking small comes with its own unique challenges. Every spoonful counts and every step matters. So, I invite you to join me in the kitchen, and as we cook together, grab a pen and jot down the big differences between preparing the world's largest pot and this smallest one. Trust me, you'll enjoy the contrast. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome to Blossom Kitchen. So I start by breaking the great giant pot into tiny chunks, and I'll pick just one micro chunk of it to demonstrate in this video. It was quite challenging for me to get the exact tiny chunks measurement from my scale because my scale could not run down to the tiniest. So I make do with what the scale can measure and improvise for the other tiny ingredients. So here I have the ingredients. Here is my pepper mix made of tomato and tatase and scotch bonnet pepper. And here is the pepper mix, the Baci jollof, pepper chicken, and Gino tomato. I just mix everything and give a little measurement of 16 grams. That's it. Then here comes my Asun, the goat meat. And my rice is 95 grams. And I also have the meat sauce. Then for the other ingredients, I have bay leaf, seasoned cube, just about half, curry and thyme. I just use my head. The thing could not measure. Then here comes my pot, my tiniest pot. And of course, I have a vegetable oil and chopped onions and ginger. Then it's time to go and wash my pot. Let me go and wash. So after washing here on the fire, I come with my pot on the fire and add just 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I pour in my onion and ginger, chopped onion and ginger, and stir fry a little. You know, the time has to be very, very tiny. Then comes in with my Asun goat meat. I fry just like Hilda Baci did her own. If there is anything I miss out, guys, just point it out. And this is my pepper mix, the Baci jollof chicken, the pepper chicken, and the Gino tomato. I'll fry this one until the oil oozes out. Now listen. Great things that really impressed me about Nigerians are: number 1, massive turnout. I like the fact that people, young and old, male and female, trooped in from different places just to be physically present. Their presence alone created so much energy and encouragement for Hilda. Number 2, cheering and motivation. Supporters kept on clapping, chanting, "Go Hilda, go Hilda," cheering her, especially when she looks tired. Their voices gave her extra strength to keep going. Number 3, sponsorship by Gino. Gino Company played a huge role by sponsoring Hilda's great idea of cooking the world's biggest pot of jollof rice. Their support not only provided resources but also gave the event a professional touch, making it more impactful. Gino, you have done well. Number 4, social media promotion. Many Nigerians share her journey online, posting updates, photos, and videos. This made the event go viral and brought even more attention to her record-keeping attempt. Number 5, emotional and moral support. Beyond the physical and online presence, people offered prayers, good wishes. Even her mother stood by her, praying for her, and emotional backing, knowing that the whole nation and even brands like Gino were rooting for her, gave Hilda the courage to finish strong. In fact, kudos to all Nigerians. Congratulations, Hilda. Congratulations, Nigerians. I don't know if there is any other thing you observe. Let me know in the comment below. Alright, Hilda lovers, I know you are still there. Back to our cooking now. I just open and stir this rice so that it can cook evenly. As you can see, the water is almost dried up. Now I will have to reduce the flame of the light to give it a slow cooking so as to prevent too much burning. So coming back there, oh wow, this is great. My people, I believe this my recipe resembles Hilda's jollof rice, although this is the smallest. And I know you are still there. You've watched up till now. Kindly give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, this is the right time to do it. I love your contribution. Wow, this is beautiful.
Yes, can you see exactly like Hilda Baci's?
It's so delicious. It tastes so fine. Hilda Baci, you have done so good. Here is my small pot of jollof rice. It's beautiful. You need to smell the aroma here in my kitchen. And there you have it. The smallest pot of jollof rice cooked in honor of Chef Hilda Baci's record-breaking achievement with the biggest pot. I may not have been able to join her physically to cook or taste that historic jollof, but this was my own way of celebrating her greatness and showing just how versatile our beloved dish can be, whether in a giant pot or a tiny one. If you notice some big differences between the largest pot and this smallest one, drop them in the comments. I love to hear your thoughts. From Hilda Baci's giant pot that fed thousands to my little pot that produced just 196 grams, both tell the same story. Jollof rice is a true celebration of love and culture. And she was awarded.
Holders for the largest serving of Nigerian style jollof rice. Congratulations.
Well done, Hilda Baci. Congratulations. Thank you so much for watching till the very end of my smallest pot of jollof rice, made in appreciation of Hilda Baci's biggest pot. I truly value your support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative food stories. Until the next meal, keep sharing love through food. See you in the next video. Bye.